All right. For our last video of chapter 1, we compiled a list of shortcuts with the help of Claude that we think will that you will find useful along your Excel journey. And you'll find these in the shortcuts sheet of the chapter 1 document. A few that we will use a lot in this course are control, page up, page down, control shift, right arrow, left arrow, down, up, control C to copy and paste, of course, control V to paste, control X to, let's say, cut. You can do that, paste it. And there are a lot more like control R that we've talked about, copying to the right, control D, copying down, control 1 for the formatting, like I showed you in the last video. And then there's also the Alt key. When you press Alt, you get options about what you can do next. Like Alt H brings you to the Home tab, and then gives you the other various options like that. So that's all for chapter 1. I know it's a long chapter, but most of the rest should be shorter. So be sure to upload your completed file with all the work in XLSX format to Blackboard, and we will grade it. Good luck.